What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got a special package over here from our friends over at Xbox. Now, I'm not really sure what's inside of here. I have an idea, but I haven't seen it myself. So let's open it up. All right, let's see. Where's the front? Is it over here? All right, let's see. Ooh, always with the fancy packaging. You guys can see it. That's that Taco Bell sign. All right, so let's check this out. We got a little letter over here. Okay, so over here we've got an exclusive wallpaper from Xbox and Taco Bell. We also have, and enjoy 6 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Y'all can have that one. Over here we got this puppy, the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. So we got that upgrade. So it's got the special Taco Bell box over here. And inside you get like the regular retail packaging. So this is the Elite Series Controller 2. We saw this at E3 and I was super pumped to get my hands on this. I like to main the Elite controller, so getting the second one, this is what we're here for, folks. Now we've also got some other stuff. This is something from Power A. Okay, we got a stand for the special Eclipse Xbox that's down here. But all right, let's check out this Xbox, get this out of here. I like the whole color scheme that they're going with over here. This looks kind of neat. Oh, I get it, the Eclipse. You see the little light, then it goes to dark. Let me get a knife. So let's pop this one open. I love all the Taco Bell branding that's in all of the packaging over here. So that's how you know they got that deep partnership going.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
All right, so here we have the Xbox. This place is a mess. Hold on one second. Let's clean this up. All right, so let's continue. See what we get in here. Ooh, that's silver. That is a clean Xbox. I like that whole two-tone look to it. Fades into black, kind of like an Eclipse. I get it. I see you, Xbox and Taco Bell. Now, the question is the controller special? Let's see. Oh, there is no controller. This is our controller. All right, so we got our fancy Xbox over here and this puppy, the Elite Series 2 controller. I am so hyped for this, guys. I've been waiting ever since E3, man. Oh. All right, y'all, so here we have it. This is the Xbox Elite Controller Series 2. And man, it makes a nice combo here, not gonna lie. You can see up here, it's got like that silver finish to it. It got the black. But let me tell you guys what makes the Elite Series 2 a special controller. Now, the first thing they did was they added these rubberized grips on the sides of the controller, so as you hold on to it, it's got a nice tight feel. I love having the grips all over, especially in the back. It feels really, really good in the hand. Now, of course, they give you a ton of joysticks that you can customize with. You can see inside of the controller case, you got lots of options, so you can go with what feels the most comfortable for you. And they even added a little bit more customization with this little key right here. You'll be able to adjust the tension within the joysticks by just putting it here. You adjust that to the way you want it. So if you want to go ahead and customize almost every aspect of your gaming experience, you really have all the tools necessary. And for those of you wondering, there is a cable included inside of the box. There's a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB Type A, so you can just go ahead and charge the actual charging case. But here's a question. Is the actual controller, can you charge it with USB Type C? Yeah.
Oh, that's hot.
So this also has a USB Type C port right at the top. So you can go ahead and charge the case with the cable or the actual controller directly. But something else that they did that really makes this special is the travel case does more than just hold the controller and the extra pieces. You can take this little thing off right here. And if you happen to travel while you game, this little guy is going to charge the controller for you. So it should always be ready to go. So even if you keep this at home, you put it back inside of its case like I do with my controller, and it charges it. And they even added some new levels to the hair trigger locks. It is time for me to get on Apex Legends and see what I can do with this guy. All right, y'all, so we fired up some Apex. I got the Elite controller going over here. It looks smaller, but it feels exactly like the other controller, well, the original. So right now, I actually have my hair trigger locks on the newest setting, so it should be really quick to tap on these triggers. Being able to have a shorter travel distance is going to make shots get off faster, so we'll see how it goes. Now, right now, I'm actually using a pretty standard layout, but there is the ability to map certain keys to the different triggers here, and you can have up to 3 different profiles, so if you like having a certain layout for maybe a certain game, or maybe if you're just using it for, I don't know, browsing or using the Xbox for, you know, media stuff, you can always switch to the different profiles. And it's actually really simple to switch between them. You just press this little button in the middle and it shows you which profile you're on. Oh, are you kidding me? Ooh, this guy must have gone to that vault. Ooh, sorry, bruh. Oh, are you kidding? Oh my God. Elite controller, how elite will you make me today? No. Well, it felt good while playing anyway. Look at that, 900 damage. You know, I put in some work. That's like 9 kills right there. But all jokes aside, guys, I actually really like the way this thing feels. I mean, you can't really beat this when it comes to being able to customize all the different little buttons and triggers. I'm definitely going to be taking this guy home. This is what I'm gonna be rocking out on Apex almost always. And I'll let you guys know when I actually win a match. But till the next video, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'll have this link down below in the description, as well as the limited edition Xbox. But till the next one, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.